Hi! Last time we looked at using Keynote to make some sketches and some drawings, and today we're going to look at how to make those drawings come to life by animating them using something called line draw. Here we go. As long as you've got a pencil drawing on your page, you can tap on it and then press animate. From here you want to add a built-in effect, and we're going to choose the one called line draw. You'll get a preview straight away of what that looks like, but if you want to press the X, you can then change the speed of that as shown on the screen. You can make your animation faster or slower, and you can view it by pressing the play button at the top of your page. There you go, a really simple and quick way to make your presentation come to life. I'd love to see what you can make happen in Keynote. Why don't you send me your animations?